So this is our prototype for low tension line fault detection system. This is the interface. There are three users, admin, technician, and viewer. Every user have different interface. First, we will log in as admin. We will see that what admin see or what technician sees, basically. So this is the user interface for admin. There is admin controls and center. Here we can see that how many sensors are there and how many are operating normally and which two sensors and in between which two sensors they have the fault. So as you can see, we have done uh, with four sensors. Every sensor has given its own unique identity S001, S002, and so on. So S002 and S003, these two sensors attached to the low tension line poles um, are giving us a warning and a fault. That means here there's a line breakage. So as you can see here also active alerts. Pole B warning level exceeded. The sensor here attached, that is the S002, shows us the voltage, current and temperature. And the S003 sensor shows us the critical fault detected. That means the fault detected in this line is measured. That is voltage it is showing, current is also showing, and the temperature is also shown. Warnings are there pole B and pole C. There is a warning, there is a fault. So here you can see live sensor data stream. As you can see, it shows us the sensor data on a dashboard, like location we have given, sensor ID is given, and the status. As you can see here, I have explained earlier. So voltage, current, and temperature. These are all monitored and analyzed by the sensors. Then we can see the analytics. Analytics and insights. The prediction accuracy according to the model is 94.5%. All the data that we are using is arbitrary. This is weekly fault frequency. The fault occurring each day. Like in on Monday there are two faults, on Tuesday there are one fault. This is all arbitrary data. Voltage trend analysis. How much voltage is coming according to the time or the time dependent voltages. On each time, how much voltage is coming. Fault type distribution. How many faults can be detected by our sensors. So arc fault, line break, overload, and short circuits. The overload and short circuits are can also be analyzed by the circuit breakers, which are already installed in the low tension lines. The line break and arc faults are not detected by the circuit breakers. They are detected by our sensors, and the data is stored, and then it is sent to the model, and then the uh, fault detection happens, and the faulty line or lines are or is isolated, is or are isolated. Devices that we are using, these are all the sensors that we are using. CT sensor, that is a current transformer sensor, and its ID, its location is given, and the charging, the battery is given. Vibration sensors, arc sensor, arc detector, smart relay, and edge controller. These two are not sensors. These two are in the next step. The basically it detects, and edge controller gives the data. Smart relay is the switch. It basically detects the faults and isolates it. CT sensor and vibration sensors collects data, and arc detector also collect data. So total devices, there are five total devices. As you can see, there are five devices. Here, till now, four are online, one is offline, and one is on low battery. Here you can see one is offline and also on low battery. So this is our user interface basically.